Hey crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's shopping Sunday at Dollar Tree and I am so excited about these finds this week. So let's just dive in. Now I'm starting off in kitchenwares. Look what I have spotted. These round silicone snack topper trays. Now these sit right on top of your tumblers. So basically you can have these on the go, and they do come in a pink and a blue color. Another silicone item that I spotted were the spoon rests in the kitchen section. They do come in 4 different colors of black. You have them in this really pretty blue, gray, and red. Now, even though these are in the kitchen section, I immediately thought of crafting. I'm going to use my hot tools with these, like my glue guns and cutting knives. Such a great idea. Now, they also have these silicone toppers. These are silicone lids, you guys. I've never seen these before at Dollar Tree, and they do have that in multiple colors as well. Another item in this collection are these dough scrapers. Have you guys seen these? I love these because they have like measurement equivalents and conversions right on the front of them. And they do come in the same colors of all these other items in this collection, so you can coordinate them. These are another score for me. These are those silicone mats that you could use in the kitchen for rolling out dough and other things. These are also a great non-stick item. So when it says non-stick to heat, I automatically think about using them in my craft space as well. So I did pick up a few, one for my kitchen and one for my craft room. And don't forget the kiddos. If they love playing with like Play-Doh and other kinds of items like that, this will be a great item to lay down to use with that Play-Doh as well. And for $1.25 is such a great deal, and you could get all of these fun colors. Another item in the kitchen section I've been hunting for is this citrus juicer. I finally found it. Such a great name brand item that I did spot. So definitely be on the lookout. Don't give up the hunt. They have some new Disney items in the kitchen section. These are magnetic bag clips. So I saw them in a Minnie Mouse version and also Star Wars version. So I saw 2 of them so far at my Dollar Tree stores. Another Disney item are some sponges. Now I did find these in the health and beauty, but these say multi-purpose microfiber sponges. So you could use them for anything, even cleaning, kitchen, body care. It's multi-purpose. And I did find these 4 different prints at my store. I love that they're starting to come out with more name brand items, and I'm spotting them in different places in the store. So always be on the lookout. While I'm in the kitchen section, I wanted to see if they had more of these oil and vinegar bottles, and I found them. You can get them in plain or labeled. And I craft with these all the time. One of my favorite things I made with this are these bottles. I wrapped them with the grill topper and trimmed them out with jute. You guys, this is such an easy project to make, and all the DIYs I do show you today will be linked in the description box below. Now, another bottle that I love is this one with the spring-loaded top. These are the clear ones. I've also used these. I added a simple label with Mod Podge, filled it with mouthwash and bath salts for the bathroom. Another easy project you could try. They had some more of these tumblers at the Dollar Tree I have not seen before. Now these are a smaller size, perfect for the kiddos. They have I saw these 2 colors, and they have the little lid that screws on and off. So if you're looking for something for them, check that out. So now it's time to swing by crafts, and I spotted some new crochet sets, you guys. I love these little sets, so convenient. So I saw this little panda bear. That one's really cute. Another one that I spotted was the donut, and it has the cute little sprinkles on them. Now all these little crochet sets that they do have at the Dollar Tree have everything you need. It's got your yarn, your plastic needle, your crochet hook, and even beads if it includes it in the project. So I love that everything is tucked away in one little kit, so you're not searching for other tools to make these. And they do have a new variety now. I did show some of these months ago, but they seem to be getting more in now. So be on the lookout in your craft section for these little crochet kits. They make great little gifts. I am so excited to see that these wood pieces are back. You know, these are the square containers and the round containers, and they are wood. These would be great to paint, stain, or decorate however you want. But I was so excited to see them because I had a project I wanted to do and needed one more. So this hit the spot with this return of this item. And look what else I've spotted that just returned. These are those triangle frames. Now they do have a print on the inside, but they do have multiple designs. Now I like to gather these up and save them for Christmas. And what I've done with this is I've made a Christmas design with some Dollar Tree fabric and ornaments. This was so fun and easy to make with these. Over in the party section, I had to see what's new, and this was one thing that really impressed me. So this is a table runner. So it's 12 inches wide and 4 feet long. Now they did have several colors. They have this gold. They also have one that's in silver if you rather have a silver theme. And then the last one tucked away in there is almost like a champagne or rose gold. So I did see 3 of these to choose from. So you could choose from whichever one you want to do, but for 4 feet, it's a good deal for $125. If you missed out on those large decorated disco balls that came out last year, they are back, and I did see these at multiple stores, so be on the hunt for those as well. Now, lately I've been kind of obsessed with all their new gift bags at Dollar Tree, and look at the patterns of these and the textures. So one thing I've noticed about the new gift bags that are coming out is, first of all, they're a lot thicker than they have been, and the patterns now are so fun and bold and vibrant. So not only can they be used for just a gift bag, you can use them in your crafts, you can frame them, you can cut them out in different shapes and sizes and use them. Now this was probably one of the most impressive ones today. Look at that raised gold design on this blue and this red. They also have this same pattern with a pink and a purple. So check those out at Dollar Tree. They are popping up at multiple stores. So beautiful. Now, if you have a teen or tween, they have more bags as well. These are really fun. And if you look, these have a raised textured design with all of these little accents. Check this You Grow Girl bag out with the little mushroom. You can see the mushroom has some texture there. They even have this checkerboard one that's really nice. That one has the peace sign on it. And then they also have one here with the flowers. So be sure to check all these out when you head to the Dollar Tree. Now, there were more items in the party section I wanted to share, including this item. This is a balloon stick. I've never seen anything. So this comes with the stick and the lights. So if you buy one of those clear balloons separately, connect this stick and this light set in for a sparkly decor piece. I think this is a great deal for $125 to get a lighted set and the stick. Just buy the balloon and finish the project. And they have a new party decoration set out. This is a collection that has the sprinkles. So it has the little cake, and you can get the little cake in pink, and you could get it in white, and it's plain, so you could decorate it however you want. You can also get the matching cupcakes. I love these. These are cupcake glasses, you guys, with the gold handles. You can get these in more of a blue, or you can get them in more of a pink, but you could definitely mix and match these for the party or occasion. Here's another piece in that collection. They have the hanging piece here with the tassel. They also have this wall decor piece. It's a large happy birthday banner. Same little sprinkle, little confetti design. At another store, I found this piece. So this is a happy birthday banner collection. And so it has 2 cakes and then happy birthday. And these kits do come with all of the string included. Here's a neat item I found in the party section. So these are swirly straws, but check it out. They have little disco balls on the straws. This is something I've never seen before at the Dollar Tree. They're always impressing me with all their fun new items. Now, in the automotive section, look at these license plate frames. We've seen these in the plus section for $5, but check it out. They have a $1.25 version now. You can get that in gold, pink and silver. I was excited to see this because I didn't want to pay $5 for the other version. Another item they have for $1.25 are these little disco balls, and they have little cowboy hats on them. How cute is that? This is a little ornament that you can hang up. You can get them in a black hat. They have a combination with the white and black. Here's the solid white hat, and they also have one with a little pink hat on that disco ball. So this was definitely a new arrival. This is another item that was previously more in the plus section. Now they have a version that is $1.25, and you get 2 of these blinged out hooks that you can put in your vehicle. Here's another item I found in tools. Check this out. These are corner bumpers. These are for your tables and other sharp corners in your home. Now I did find these in black, brown, and then a lighter version of brown. So be on the lookout for these if you want to protect those corners, especially if you have little ones and you want to protect all the sharp corners of your furniture in your home. Here's a new item I've never seen before. So this is a leveler. So it has 2 levels on it. It has a magnetic strip, and it has this little gauge on it. I've never seen one with that gauge. It also has a ruler on the back. So I love that this is multi-purpose and also just $1.25. Now, we've all seen the poster board at the Dollar Tree, and there's lots of items that are under $1.25. The color poster board is $1. So I love using the color poster board, especially the black sheets. You may have seen me use this in some of my DIYs, including a Kirkland dupe. Now, I did a Kirkland dupe. The Kirkland one is $69. The one I did was $5. And those little flowers inside, I used Dollar Tree poster board for. Now, if you like things that smell nice, check out these little sachet pouches. These have the hook on top, and the only one I did find was powder. So if you're looking for something like that, definitely check that out at the Dollar Tree. It was in the fragrance section. The wipes are back, the women's wipes and the Joe Boxer wipes. Now they do say flushable, but let me tell you, do not flush any of these, regardless of what that label says. It's just not safe. Now, when I walked into a different store, look, they have these mushroom solar lights. Now there is one in the plus section, but I was so happy to see a $1.25 version of this, and I did see it in red and green. In the food section, look what I spotted, this organic Pacific Foods soup. I was excited to see this in this creamy tomato version. They also had another version which was red pepper and tomato. You guys, if you eat the Pacific soups, you know that these cost so much, especially if you get them from the grocery store, Publix and Whole Foods and other places like that. When I looked online to check it out, Target has these for $5.59 a box. So $1.25 for the win at Dollar Tree for these. And for your fur baby, check this name brand find out. This is the Purina Beneful Baked Delights Snackers. This is a 22-ounce bag. Now, just by the weight of this, I knew it had to be a plus item, but no, it was $1.25, and it's being sold for $6.78 at Walmart.com. So be sure to grab it for your fur baby. Now, if you're on the way to checkout, check out the shoe charms. They are back. They had 2 different cards of shoe charms available for $1.25. And look at this find up by the registers. Miniature tumbler cups. These are keychains. Now the lid doesn't detach from these. These are just accent pieces, but I did see these in a couple of different colors. I just think that these are just so adorable and go right along with those who love tumblers. If you're shopping for Easter, there were a few new finds that I found. So I did find these dish towels in the Easter section. I haven't seen these with the little rabbits on it, but these say Happy Easter. And then hiding behind that, they have these large Easter egg prints on these towels as well. They're so super cute. They also have a variety of Peeps socks. I have not seen the Peeps socks this year, so I was excited to find these. I think these are so fun, especially if you're putting together Easter baskets. So I saw a bunch of different prints. These are actually really nice, and they're $1.25 a piece. So even if you're giving these, you could donate these, use these in raffles, whatever you may want to do to actually, gift these or keep them for yourself for Easter. Now, I did find a different variety on a hang strip. Let me tell you, look all over the store because they're always hanging in random places. Another Easter item that I spotted were these candy dispensers. Now, these are perfect size for using like Skittles or plain M&Ms, those size candies in them. And I did find them in 3 different colors. They had a pink, a lavender, and they had like a minty green color. These are another fun item that come out with every holiday occasion. And I love these zippered pillow covers. Now they do have a brand new one. This one is from last year, but honest in my opinion, I like this one better than this new one this year, but they do have them still available. Now here's another brand new item that just came out. These are fancy tumblers with the straw, but look at the top, they have that little foam and glitter confetti. Now they have this pink version that has a little bunny inside, or you can get the kind of greenish blue version. That one has a baby chick inside. How cute is that? So I did see 2 different varieties of these at the Dollar Tree. Great to add to those Easter baskets. And now if you don't really do baskets and rather have a bag, they have these reusable printed bags in Easter themes at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Really cute prints. They had 3 different styles at my Dollar Tree, whether you wanted the bunny theme or an egg theme. So check these out. Now I'm going to walk over to the plus section. There's a few items I wanted to show you, and continuing with Easter, I found these candy eggs. So these are the plastic eggs. They are pre-filled with candy. So if you don't like to mess with filling your eggs, they have them already pre-filled. You can get this large bag of them and they're $3.50. They also have these candles, which I think are amazing. They have the vanilla cashmere, the berry mandarin, Malibu Lagoon, and lilac bloom. I personally love the jars on these. I think these are absolutely gorgeous. Now, I featured some bird houses a few weeks ago, but these 2 were new. I didn't realize they had 4 different styles. So I didn't show you this blue one or this green one, but I wanted to give you a heads up and let you know that these are solid metal and they have 2 additional colors that you can choose from. Now these lanterns were very impressive. These are solar lanterns with the hook. As you can see, these hang on a hook. They're only $5. So when I took it out, I can actually see the design. I love the way it's designed. It comes with all the poles attached. They're zip tied to it, and it also has the hook on the inside with the little handle to hang it. And for $5, it is an amazing deal. Here's another garden accent piece that is metal, and it has little glass balls on those little flowers, which is really cute. You can get butterflies, dragonflies, hummingbirds, all kinds of combinations to add a pop of color to your garden, and these are just $5. And have you seen these $3 bouquets of flowers? Look how gorgeous these are. I was so impressed with these. You guys, if you come across these, you need to grab them. They were putting these out and people were grabbing them up. I really do hope you guys come across these and grab them for $3. Definitely a great deal at the Dollar Tree. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring even more fun finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today. And if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find at Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It's absolutely free. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.